welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm super excited. Oh my goodness, because when I jumped into this idea, I was like, wow, just like that. You know what, I'm going to show you step by step, guys, and do not skip any part of this video so you will not miss the most important part of the video. Okay guys, if you see me for the first time, give me a warm welcome. What we do this channel is to talk on how to make money online and offline, and if that's what you're interested in, why don't you consider subscribing to the channel and make sure you turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. So let's dive into this video. Come on, subscribe. So guys, the name of this website is medium.com. You write an article on medium.com or a story and you get paid per reading time on medium.com. Make sure you choose a niche from the recommendation topic that you are given so that your gigs or your content will rank high on the platform, so you get paid quickly, and makes your story interesting if it's story that you want to write. So look at the arrow by the left, is it by the left or the right? By the left hand side, and you are going to click on apply for partner program. Yeah, on that page, this page will pops up. As you can see, write, connect, and writing ad. It's a reward when you join the partner program. Learn how to get paid for the contents you publish and the audience you build. You can click on apply now if you want to start, but let's scroll down to see the ways we can head on this medium.com. The first is member reading time. The more time medium members spend on the content you publish, the more money you earn. You can click on the link there and to make research, to read more about it, so that you can get better understanding. The other ways you can earn on this medium.com is also by referring people. Okay, now let's talk about the requirements, eligibility criteria, that is requirements to get paid on this website. First is publish a story. You can also publish a content, get 100 plus followers. I'm very sure that is easy, because when your content is, or your blog is interesting, and 100 followers is super easy, and you have to stay active. You should publish at least once every 6 months to keep your content active. That is to keep your account active. Wow, that is incredible, guys. 6 months. Who won't publish before 6 months? That's too late. That's long. So guys, now let's talk about the tools that you're going to use to start this job and to make it easier for you to start. We are in this together. I'm starting my own right away when I'm done with this video. So guys, let's go, and I'm going to come back on this website to show you my testimonies. I'm very sure of that. So guys, let's start this together so we can start earning together. Guys, don't get confused. I'm using my system because I wanted to use it. You can also make use of your smartphone, okay? So we are going to make use of ChatGPT, but I don't really like this. I'm going to show you the one on my phone and the paraphrasing tool on my phone as well. So guys, welcome to my phone. So this is the ChatGPT that I'm talking about. I prefer this. The other one on my system is just directing me to something else, and I'm not ready to pay any dime right now. So this one, I'm using it for free, but it's at limitation. Okay, you can also use this for free. So now let's search and let's write an article on affiliate marketing. So it's typing right now. Hold on, still typing. Still typing. Wow, so here we go. This is the answer ChatGPT give us, but we cannot copy and paste this answer directly to our Medium accounts. So we need to plagiarize this answer, or we have to rephrase then plagiarize. So let's go to the other page of this. Guys, let's make use of the next tool. The next tool is paraphrasing tool. I love this paraphraser. It's actually effective. I love it. So we copy the answer ChatGPT give us. We're going to place it and click on check plagiarism. Sorry. So it's still loading right now. Let's go. Still loading. Wow, 100% unique and 0% plagiarized. So this is type of content that you can place on your on the Medium page, but it's not enough. It's not up to 1,500 words or 2,500 words. You still need to gather information on Google. You can check on multiple websites on Google. So let's go to that. Let me show you the way you can do that as well. Welcome back. So welcome to the third stage or the fourth stage? Okay, the third stage. So now we're going to use Chrome browser. The topic we are searching or we are talking about is affiliate marketing. Anyone that search for affiliate marketing is definitely a beginner. So therefore, the person needs to understand what affiliate marketing is itself. Then you just search and Google what is affiliate marketing. Do not click on the sponsor link. Just scroll down to search for more natural or organic websites. So let's scroll down. So example of natural link is this. This Investopedia on Shopify. So now I'm going to use the Investopedia. I'm going to click on the link. You can also come back to the website and check out what Shopify has in the website. Check out other website as well. Check out what they have there. You copy and go back to the to the paraphrasing tool. Then you copy and paste. Maybe you see anything that you think you can add to your content, just copy it and paste it on the paraphrasing tool to rephrase the word. The word, the sentence, the content for you. Let's click on I forgot to click on copy. So now I'm going to paste it here. So I've already pasted it here. And we click on paraphrase. It's still loading. Still loading. Wow. So it has paraphrased it. And let's check the plagiarism. Sorry, let's check the plagiarism. Still loading. Check the result of the plagiarism. What? 50% unique, 50% plagiarized. No, this is not what we want. So we need 0% plagiarized. So this is the source of the document, the content that we copied. It's Investopedia, as if you can remember on the Google. So now we have to change this red phrase, this red sentence. We need to rephrase it again in our own way, or according to our own understanding. So I don't want to use the two again. So we need to rephrase it in our own understanding. So let's go. Affiliate marketing is the way. Let me say it's a means. Yeah. Affiliate marketing is a means. Is a means in which company advertise their products. I'm still thinking. Advertise their products, making use of the third party. Okay, and compensates the third party who promote their products or drive clients. Oh, I wanted to say clients, not cost. To the company. To drive cost to those company. Rubbish. So I'm still going. No, mistake. Let me delete that. So the third party who promote their company or their product. Promote their product. Let's use that. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm just thinking of what to type. Their products and generally to their company. Yeah, let's put it that way. And now we're going to click on the rephrase now. Yeah. It's loading. And then we need to check the plagiarized word on this. I hope it's not plagiarized though. Well, it can't. I don't think so. Let's check. Let's check the outcome. Wow, it's still loading. How we did a great job, the guys. Wow, this is type of content that you need to post on the medium. It has to be zero plagiarized. Okay, you can just do it the way I did it and you get exact zero plagiarized content. Okay guys, I hope this video is helpful. Let me know in the comment section if it's kind of helpful, and let me know what you think about the platform, if you've heard about it and if you've used it before. So let me know in the comment section as well. So guys, see you in my next video, and make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel, so and make sure you turn on notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. See you in my next video. Bye, take care, love you.